Last week, a dentist noted that of all her treatments, 1/3 were fillings, 1/4 were extractions, and the rest were denture treatments. Last week, she completed 8 filling treatments. What would be the number of denture treatments she did last week? Let's start by figuring out what fraction of her total treatments were denture treatments. We can do that by adding together the fractions we have and solving for this unknown amount of her denture treatments. And that should all add up to equal the whole number 1, right? 1 representing all of the treatment she did as a whole. To add these two fractions together, we're going to need a common denominator, and let's use 12. 3 times 4 will give us 12, and 4 times 3 will give us 12. So we'll need to multiply their numerators by the same thing, and that will result in 4 over 12 plus 3 over 12 plus x equals, and now to make the whole number 1 also have a common denominator of 12, we can rewrite this as 12 over 12. So now let's combine our like terms. 4 twelfths plus 3 twelfths will give us 7 twelfths plus x equals 12 twelfths. To isolate our variable x, we need to use opposite operations and subtract 7 twelfths from both sides. These will cancel, leaving us with x equals 12 minus 7 is 5 twelfths. So that is the fraction of denture treatment she did, 5 twelfths. If last week she did 8 filling treatments, 8 being equal to 1/3, then we could figure out how many total treatments she did by figuring out what would equal 3/3, or 1 whole. And that would be 8 times 3. 8 times 3 will give us 24. So 24 is the total number of treatments. And now we can take that and multiply it to our fraction of denture treatments to find our final answer. 5 twelfths times 24. Here we can factor out a greatest common factor of 12. That will be left with 1 over here. 24 divided by 12 is 2, so we have 5 times 2, which is 10, over 1, which is the same thing as 10, making our answer A.